This screencast is going to show you how to download a PDF and save it to your Chromebook. So your teacher shared with you the PDF either to a Space and Earth textbook or a biology textbook. Either way, the process is the same. So we're going to go in and we're going to download this PDF. It may take a moment because it is a large file. Now, once downloaded, we're going to access it in a different way. We could access here from the download manager, but I want to show you a different way as well. So we're going to go in, close that up, close this window completely, just again to go through the process and show you how you can access it later. So if I want to go in and I'm offline and I'm at home and I need to access the textbook, well, it's stored now on your Chromebook. You don't have to be online to get to it. So to get to it, you're going to go to your launcher, and then you're going to find this icon that says Files in your launcher. Now, if it's not at the top like it is on mine, you'll have to go through and find it somewhere in all these different apps. But once you do find it, you're going to open it up. And you'll see that right now the textbook is in our Downloads folder. So we want to select Downloads, and that's where we'll see the PDF of the textbook. Now, right now, it's just in our Downloads folder. Over time, you're going to accumulate a lot of stuff in your Downloads folder, and we want to be able to get to this PDF easily and quickly without having to scroll to try to find it. So we're going to create a folder in our Downloads folder, and I'm going to call this, again, Space and Earth Textbook. And then I'm going to take the file and I'm going to drag it into that folder. So again, later on, I'm going to do the app launcher. I want to find that textbook. It's going to be in my downloads. There's my folder, double click it, and then there's the textbook. And then I can open up the textbook and then go to the chapter that I want and then do the reading that I might need to do. So right now, this is the way you would download a PDF and save it to your Chromebook.